Okay, so today recipe is chocolate cookies. Here we already prepare the ingredients. Again, the procedure that we're going to use is creaming method. So in creaming method, the powder ingredients is always blend together. So here in the bowl, we have the flour, the chocolate powder, baking powder, and baking soda. Then a little salt, pinch of salt. Then we have the sugar for the creaming and the butter. Then we have the eggs. Then vanilla and water. Then I added some glucose to make it more chewy. Then I have here uh, nuts. On this recipe, I use peanuts. So if you want, you can also use cashew nuts, almonds, uh, pecan, and many more. So walang limit yon kahit ano yung gamitin natin. So do not worry guys, because the recipe or the formula will be in the description of this video. So just look at the description if you're interested to make this, no? So let's start mixing. Okay, so all the sugar is blended. Pagbilisan natin para mag-mix agad yung sugar and butter. So until the sugar is dissolved, then every now and then dapat straight natin yung side. Okay, so now we'll add in the eggs. So huwag nang bibiglayin na i-add lahat yung egg. Gradual lang. Portion by portion. Then scraping down every now and then. Okay, so i-add na natin yung flour and the other powder ingredients. So add the flour gradually. Huwag natin bibiglayin kasi sasabog yan. So always adjust it at low speed when you're adding the flour. So now we'll add the liquid coffee ingredients. This is the water and glucose plus the vanilla. So little by little. Okay, so i-add na natin yung chocolate chips. So again, for the recipe, just look into the description. Doon natin ilalagay. Then lastly, the peanuts, the chopped peanuts. Again, you could use cashew nuts, pecan or walnuts. It's up to you. So hintayin lang natin hanggang mag-blend siya. Okay, that's it. Okay, so divide natin into pieces. So my measurement, this weigh about 20 to 30 grams of cookie dough. Okay, then shape natin round. Ganito lang. Okay, then arrange natin sa molder. Proper spacing para maganda yung pagkaluto. So ito yung arrangement. Dapat maganda yung distance para pag pasok natin sa oven yung flow ng heat even. Okay, let's bake it. Okay, so just flatten a little. Mag-spread pa yan pagluto. Okay. So it's baking. Baking is done. There you go. Okay, so it's baked. Let's remove the cookies from the pan. Okay, that's it. It's fully baked. Palalamigin natin konti, then lalagyan natin ng toppings. We're going to use chocolate, dark chocolate and white chocolate. Okay. Okay, so lagyan na natin ng toppings. So i-dip lang natin yung chocolate chips sa melted choco. Then dip natin sa candy, vermicelli candy. Or you may also sprinkle like that. Then you can also use candy. Okay, here we are. Baking is done. Yeah.